Hi Ray, just a quick update. With the staging environment pushing to live, um, I have turned off, let's see, these plugins here on the live site. So duplicate post, admins columns pro, enable media replace, all plugins that don't, the website doesn't need them to render, to run. These are more plugins that could exist on the staging environment only. So when I push to live, I'm not going to push these plugins so that they're available on the staging site, but they're not on the live site. And I did a test, and the HTML page is now, before it was 1 second, 1.5 seconds, something like that, and it's now 381 milliseconds. So it seems that one of those plugins or more is contributing to the performance of the HTML. I would imagine that all of these Cloudflare assets here, if any of them changed, the response from SiteGround would probably be quicker in sending the file to Cloudflare to cache. So that's how I'm going to do it from now on, unless you have any problems, issues with these plugins being on the live site. So yeah, that's just a quick update as to where I'm up to. Okay, thanks, cheers.